If you accidentally trigger a mine, now we'll get a front row view to his money blown up. You sure this is the path you took?
Yes. We're literally in between two mines right now.
That guy right there is our safety expert, and he keeps telling us to back up. So, Byron, keep back up. Why have a safety expert? Carl!
Jimmy!
Stay on the track!
What are you doing? We're walking through a minefield. I'm the wrong one.
Keep driving!
Wait, I don't know if I remember the path.
I actually don't remember if this is right.
Is it right or is it left?
Wait, stop, wait. He's going so quick.
You're 1 mile away from ending this entire video.
God.
Stop.
Congrats! Your money survived! Here you go.